You realize, oh, he's under the door. I just watched the paw under the door. Let's go find Lily. Lily likes to climb over the gate and explore. Ranger, what are you doing? Be nice. Hello, little Lily. Come on. Look at that pretty face. She goes, oh my gosh, my face. Oh, you gotta take your jingle bell off. Can you take her jingle bell off?
Her jingle bell?
Her jingle bell.
I thought it was her alarm system.
Whichever.
Or her tracking device.
Her tracking device, that's it. Look at this. We've got a little climber. And Ken's a little maniac. Little Ken, oh my gosh, hi. Little Ken, oh Felix, what are you doing?